Located in the coastal town of Barrington, this gorgeous custom colonial with an attached 3-car garage and inviting front porch showcases quality construction and beautiful detail. The beautiful 2-story entry foyer features a custom staircase that is flanked by a private first-floor bedroom or home office with full bath. The living room opens directly into the formal dining room with picture frame and crown molding that create an elegant atmosphere. A backdrop of windows overlook the wooded backyard. The extensive chef's kitchen boasts a Viking 6-burner range with a grill, warming drawers, double ovens, roasting microwave, sub-zero refrigerator, and wine cooler. There is a large center island with seating for 6 and beautiful custom cabinetry. The breakfast nook has French doors leading out to the large deck that looks out on over a half-acre of land. Cathedral ceilings soar over the adjacent family room with a fireplace and a wall of windows. Accessed through either of the 2 staircases, the second floor has 5 generous bedrooms, including a magnificent master suite with a walk-in closet and luxurious spa-like bath. The bedrooms share a spacious full bath with double sinks. The third floor offers wonderful space with a vaulted ceiling ideal for a rec room or media room. This home is conveniently located in the highly sought-after neighborhood of Atlantic Crossing, within a few blocks to the East Bay Bike Path, Rhode Island Country Club, and the acclaimed Barrington schools. Take advantage of the town's coastline and visit the town beach and Barrington Yacht Club. Downtown Barrington is filled with locally owned businesses, charming shops, and the historic town hall and library. Providence is only 20 minutes away, where you can enjoy the lively culture and nightlife. For more information, please visit the property website or call Barbara Stamp at area code 401-480-5574.